This is a short introduction to content and functionality found in the Tax Overview feature of Lexis Advanced Tax. In each jurisdictional practice area of Lexis Advanced Tax, federal, state and local, and U.S. international, a prominent Tax Overview tab centered at the top of the page provides one-click access to a comprehensive, in-depth, and authoritative source of analysis that covers virtually all major tax topics in that practice area. Each Tax Overview treatise is a leading Matthew Bender title and part of the LexisNexis library. They're all encyclopedic in scope, with expert-authored commentary as well as countless illustrative examples and practical guidance. Tax Overview enables you to gain rapid insight and understanding, and points you to ample supporting primary authority, quickly and efficiently. Clicking on Tax Overview in the Federal Tax subpage brings you immediately to Lexis Tax Advisor Federal Topical, a treatise of well over 40,000 pages and 550 chapters, written by more than 140 expert tax attorneys, professors, and accountants nationwide. It covers the full gamut of federal income, estate gift and excise taxes, practice and procedure, and more. Here you can efficiently locate the information you need the way you want by utilizing several different techniques. First, by expanding the table of contents. You can browse logically by topic. For example, to find discussion of the sale of a partnership interest, click on the arrow beside taxpayer groups. Then continue to expand partnerships and LLCs, and browse the topics. You'll easily locate selling or exchanging a partnership or LLC interest. You can select individual chapters and sections to print, download, email, save in folders, or share. Simply click on the checkbox beside the particular part you wish to select for delivery. Within the Tax Overview tab on the left of your screen, you can also do narrow by searching. The drop-down menu enables you to search Tax Advisor Federal Topical in its entirety, search words found in its table of contents only, or terms found in the text only. You can then select one or more specific portions of Tax Advisor Federal Topical by clicking on the search icons. These same functions apply to the sources in State and Local Tax Overview and U.S. International Tax Overview as well. Let's change gears for a moment and look at each of these in turn. Within the State and Local Practice area of Lexis Advanced Tax, the Tax Overview tab surfaces Matthew Bender's State Taxation, Principles and Practice. This multi-state tax treatise, authored by a team of top practitioners from the legal, accounting, corporate, government, and academic sectors, takes a practice-focused approach to all types of state taxes, while highlighting tax strategies to follow and pitfalls to avoid. Its 27 chapters include treatment of procedural and substantive law and notable coverage of less commonly addressed tax issues, such as unemployment taxes and unclaimed property. Bender's state taxation analyzes general rules and the most common variations among the states in state tax issues, as well as offering numerous state-by-state breakdowns and citations to applicable statutes and other authorities for each state. Finally, within the U.S. International Practice area, Tax Overview draws upon the landmark treatise, Rhodes and Langer U.S. International Taxation and Tax Treaties, also published by Matthew Bender. Cited by the U.S. Tax Court, this respected authority provides comprehensive coverage and in-depth analysis of taxation of Americans abroad, foreign persons in the U.S., controlled foreign corporations, foreign sales corporations, foreign investment in real property, and much more. Clicking on Tax Overview also provides access to commentary and the text of U.S. tax treaties, tax agreements, and model tax treaties. For virtually any federal, state, or U.S. international topic, the Tax Overview tab provides a reliable starting point for expert insight and direction in your research.